In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide the date and time from the taskbar on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel. And then on the right side, select where it says date and time. And then you want to go down to where it says show time and date in system tray. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and it should change to reflect that down here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.